Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP, JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that unlike the previous videos, I have drawn many levels here and I have also marked those levels so that you can understand the market better and the analysis. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of GBP USD. What are the best trading opportunities step by step? Clear? Okay, let's get started. So first and foremost, if we look at the chart of GBP USD here, then overall the chart seems to be in downtrend. You can see that market is coming down. But if we look at the present trend of the market here, or if you just focus, or if I just ask you to observe this particular trend of the market here, then you can see that right now market is in uptrend. Overall trend of the market may be towards the downside, but the present trend of the market is going up. And as our trades mainly last for 1 hour, 2 hours, max to max couple of hours, or max to max one day. Therefore if the present trend of the market is going towards the upside, therefore we should also follow the present trend instead of following the overall trend of the market, because overall trend is down, market is coming down, going down for last couple of weeks, but the present trend is going up. Therefore we will also be looking for buying opportunities because market is towards the upside, going towards the upside. Okay, therefore trend is clear. So the second important point is the area of value or the best trading opportunity. Okay, and as we all know, and I have already spoken in hundreds of my videos, that area of value or the best trading opportunity is extremely important, very essential, and the best buying opportunity in an uptrend market is always near the support, and whereas the best selling opportunity in a downtrend market is always near the resistance. And right now GBP USD is going up, therefore at this particular moment the best buying opportunity will always be near the support. And right now you can see that it is standing at the weekly resistance here. I have marked it, and this line is the weekly resistance, 1.3780. This level is the weekly resistance for the market. Okay, and right now it is standing at the weekly resistance, but I'll say that you should not short the market right now. Okay, because there is a I have a theory. Okay, I'll be explaining to you. Okay, so first and foremost, let's understand these lines. Okay, so as the market is in downtrend, therefore we must be having a resistance, and this trend line is a strong resistance for the market. You can see that whenever market was trying to go up, it faced selling pressure from above, and this trend line was the resistance for the market, and still this trend line is a strong valid resistance for the market. Therefore we can hope that in the future, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, in the coming week, whenever market will be going up again, definitely it will face resistance or selling pressure at this trend line. And when market will be reversing from this trend line, definitely you can short the market. Okay, so today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next week, doesn't matter, but this trend line will be giving you money making opportunities in the future. Therefore this trend line deserves a spot in your charting platform. So I'll request you to draw this trend line. Okay, so this level is clear. So we have a as we have a resistance, therefore we must be having a support as well. So this is the support for the market, 1.3600, because you can see that whenever market faced severe selling pressure, sharp selling pressure on the market, this was the level that provided support to the market. Therefore this level is also very important for the market in the future. Next week, next month, doesn't matter, whenever market will be falling, we can hope that this level will provide the required support to the market again. So we have a strong resistance in the form of this trend line, and we have a strong support on the GBP USD chart at 1.3600 level. So these two levels are very important and should be present in your charting platform. Okay, so these two levels are clear. So now the important part is area of value. Okay, area of value, as I've already said, area of value in an uptrend market is always near the support. Therefore, the first support we have is this trend line. You can see that whenever market, as we all know, whenever market goes up, it never goes up in a straight line. It always goes up in a zigzag pattern. And whenever market move up in a zigzag pattern or goes down in a zigzag pattern, okay, then we can understand the rhythm of the market and we can draw a line so that we can find out the dynamic support and resistances of the market. And GBP USD right now is going up in a particular pattern here. Therefore, we can hope that if market goes down or comes down, then market will be taking support at this trend line. This trend line I have mentioned, see, temporary support, because unlike this level, this is not a very strong support. Therefore, we can just hope that market will be bouncing. Okay, so today, tomorrow, whenever market will be coming down to this particular trend line here, just observe the price, just see how the price reacts. If you see prices bouncing from this trend line, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, GBP USD is moving in a pattern and you can go for buy order. So this trend line is also important so that you do not miss the opportunity. So draw this trend line and wait for the market to come down and bounce from here. Clear? And the next important level on the market is this weekly resistance level, because this weekly resistance level was the strong support for the market previously, because this level 1.3780 acted as a strong support for the market for quite some time, but right now this level has become the resistance for the market, and right now you can see that market is unable to cross this particular level here. Things may get complicated from here, so listen to me carefully. This level is the resistance for the market right now. But if you observe this particular portion of this chart here, then you can see that market is forming an ascending triangle pattern. Generally, we get ascending triangle pattern in an upturn market. This is a downturn market, but still we cannot deny the fact that market is constantly forming higher lows here. Market is constantly forming higher lows here. We have a resistance here that we cannot deny, but market is, whenever market is coming down, it is not crossing or breaking the previous highs. It is constantly forming higher lows here, so which clearly signifies that buyers are also present in the market, and therefore there is a possibility that market will be crossing or breaking this resistance level. So right now you can see that market is just standing at the support, at the resistance here. Do not go for any order right now, because weekly support and resistance levels are very important. Therefore, what should be a strategy? Wait for the market, wait for, if market crosses this level, wait for 3 to 4 hours and just see how the price reacts. If you see that after 3 to 4 hours, 5 hours, market is trading comfortably, GBP USD is not facing any selling pressure, it is doing good, great, then you'll get the confirmation that the weekly resistance has become the support. The resistance has become the support, your new area of value, and you can go for a buy here. But until and unless you do not get the confirmation, do not go for buy at this level. Right now market is standing at a resistance. Don't do anything. Do not short the market also, because you can see that market is in uptrend right now. And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter here, this is the Forex sentiment meter. You'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website, avilashazarika.com, under Forex 101 section. So you can see that GBP USD, 56% retail traders have taken short position and 43% retail traders have taken long position. So retail traders are also kind of confused right now. They are also in dilemma in which direction market will be moving. So we do not have any proper clear picture from the Forex sentiment meter. Okay. And if you look at the DXY chart here, this is a chart of US dollar. As we all know, DXY has a direct impact on the Forex market, and you can see that DXY, which was in uptrend, which was very much bullish, right now the setup has changed in the DXY chart, and you can see that it has formed a head and shoulder kind of a pattern here. Generally, I do not like to trade patterns. You'll hardly see me talking about patterns, but right now you can see that it has formed a head and shoulder kind of pattern. And if we see a downfall or selling pressure on DXY US dollar, then definitely there will be good buying on GBP USD, because whenever dollar goes up, GBP USD goes down, and whenever dollar goes down, GBP USD goes up. And my dear friends, one more thing, recently I have launched a pro trader membership program. You'll find on my website all the information and details, where you can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market. I'll bring it to you. Okay, so if you are interested, just go to the website and see what is the Pro Trader program all about. And if you want to learn from me, if you are interested in personal classes, then you please visit the workshop section on my website, avilassasarika.com. So that's it. Hopefully, I've understood. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again. Bye bye.